No, man, MacG is the goat. Let's not lie. Let's not. I know kunabo Penuele, manje kungene open chats, kunabo abo DJs boo. MacG is building. He's building an empire when he's coming to podcasting.
Ngikudlile wena Sithole because umfana intombazana izongena kwi original profile abakhulume obvious cause lapha ngibonile ukuthi nami like bengimesa la ama rips bawavela.
She's a feminine gay. She wears gays. Why is it bothering you? You understand? Because there's a skater.
It's just a name.
No, you wanna know my real name?
Also, now my show that you is telling me my uploader. Often it's no uploader list.
Yeah. I hear you.
Omunye ongishare ngeSnigeria. Wazi kusifunda iSnigeria. Baya reactor.